Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. This video is about industrial production of alcohol. Raw materials. Corn is the most promising raw material. Others are grain and grain products, molasses, whey, etc. The production process is divided into several steps. Raw material preparation. The corn is degerminated, dehulled, milled, either wet or dry. Then it is cooked in cooker to gelatinize the ground grain so that barley malt amylases can convert the starch to fermentable sugars. Cookers can be batch or continuous. Grain is pre-cooked for 1 to 5 minutes and stillage in the cooker under appropriate pressure. This mash is fed to steam heater so that its temperature rises instantaneously to 175 degrees Celsius. Then it is fed to the flash chamber where its temperature drops to about 60 degrees centigrade. This mash is now mixed with melted barley and water and then pumped through a converter or a pipeline for 2 minutes at 60 degrees centigrade. Starch gets hydrolyzed to about 70% maltose and 30% dextrins in the converter. Stillage or sulfuric acid is added to this converter mash to lower pH, furnish nutrients, and add buffering action. Fermentation. Around 5% of total volume of selected yeast is grown in the yeast tub on a corn barley malt mash previously sterilized. The treated mash is pumped into the fermenter, and as soon as 10% of the malt has been pumped, yeast is added. Cooling is required to keep the maximum temperature no more than 33 degrees centigrade. The fermentation cycle may vary from 40 to 72 hours. The liquors in the fermenters after fermentation is complete are called beer. It contains 6.5 to 11% alcohol by volume. Product purification. This step includes 3 distillation columns. The beer is pumped through several heat exchangers to the upper sections of the first column. The liquid discharge from the bottom of the first column is called stillage. It contains proteins, residual sugars, and also some vitamin products. Hence, it is often evaporated and used as animal feed. The overhead is a mixture of alcohol, water, and aldehydes. It is passed through a condenser where around about 50% of alcohol is considered. This condensate is known as high wines. The high wines are sent to aldehyde column, that is second column, where low boiling impurities, mostly aldehydes, are removed. The effluent liquor is sent to third column, that is rectifying column, where final purification takes place. Alcohol of 95 to 95.6% purity is obtained from near the top through a condenser and sent to storage and sale. This was all. Thanks for watching.